Welcome to the latest edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. The FDA accepted the new drug application for Tirabrutinib under the accelerated approval pathway for relapsed or refractory primary CNS lymphoma. The submission is supported by the Phase 2 PROSPECT study, with a confirmatory global Phase 3 trial currently recruiting. A PDUFA action date has been set according to the source, positioning Tirabrutinib as a potential new option in this high-need oncology setting pending regulatory review. The FDA also accepted the NDA from Teva and Medincell for TEV-749, an investigational once-monthly subcutaneous long-acting injectable formulation of olanzapine for adults with schizophrenia. The application references data from the Phase 3 Solaris program, including results through week 56. If approved, TEV-749 could expand long-acting treatment options aimed at supporting adherence in schizophrenia management. Ionis announced it has terminated the Phase 1 study of ION269 for Alzheimer's disease in people with Down syndrome. The company cited slow enrollment as the reason for discontinuation and stated the decision was not related to safety concerns with the investigational therapy, signaling a shift in pipeline prioritization. Axsome Therapeutics reported dosing the first patient in the Phase 3 Clarity trial, evaluating solriamfetol for major depressive disorder with excessive daytime sleepiness. The study includes an open-label treatment period, followed by a randomized double-blind withdrawal phase, with time to relapse of depressive symptoms after randomization as the primary endpoint. IR Lab Therapeutics dosed the first patient in its Phase 1b LIFT-PD study of IRL757 for Parkinson's disease-related apathy. The trial is designed to assess safety, tolerability, and exploratory signals across multiple European countries. And the milestone triggered a payment under IR Lab's collaboration with MSRD, an Otsuka affiliate. Gemma Bio announced the first patient has been dosed in the Phase 1/2 Charisma trial of GB221, an investigational next-generation gene therapy for spinal muscular atrophy type 1. The study is evaluating intrathecal delivery in infants, and the company noted that GB221 has received FDA Rare Pediatric Disease designation. uniQure provided an update on its regulatory interactions with the FDA regarding AMT-130 for Huntington's disease. Following a Type A meeting, the agency stated it could not agree that Phase 1/2 data, compared with an external control, would be sufficient as primary evidence of effectiveness for a marketing application, and strongly recommended a prospective, randomized, double-blind, sham surgery-controlled study. Roche reported that its Phase 3 FENhance-1 trial of fenebrutinib in relapsing multiple sclerosis met its primary endpoint versus teriflunomide. The company stated it plans to submit the totality of its Phase 3 multiple sclerosis program data to regulators, with additional details to be shared at a future scientific meeting. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com